Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my unboxings for today for Ipsy and Boxycharm. I've had these for a little while and I already opened them. I couldn't help it. I didn't have time to do a video because we're like house hunting and I've been very busy. And yeah, I just wanted to see what was in it. I couldn't wait no more. So we're gonna do Boxycharm first. And it's for the month of June, and it's Caribbean Queen. And then it has the items in here and what they're worth. So here's the box. So I was excited because we got flexi brushes. I love getting brushes. So let's see here. There's 3 brushes. We have a dual fiber powder brush, and we have a tapered highlighter brush. I love these, and a precision foundation brush. I believe I might have these already. I have a feeling. I think I might have them in a different color though, because Luxie brushes come in different colors like blue and purple. So this is worth $42 and Boxycharm is $21 a month. So yeah, awesome. Then we got these lashes from Baddington. Like that, and there's the lashes. Don't know if I'll ever use them, but I have them. So those are nice, and those are $28. It's pretty cool. And then we got this Sol Janeiro cream, and that is worth $10. Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It's a creamy and rich, and let's see, it gives you a glow. And I believe when I read about it, you could use it anywhere, you know, your arms and stuff. It smells amazing. Yeah, it just smells absolutely amazing. And then we got this eyeliner from Jean Bleu, and I believe it's like a charcoal color. Like, I don't think it's black. Yeah, it's 912 charcoal. But if you rub it enough, it's black. You know, it's a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and that's worth $5. You can always use those. This I was excited about. We got an ultra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and that's $21. And this is in the color Verona. Very nice. I've worn it already. And then the best part is the palette. Alamar Cosmetics. And it says it's Kathleen's favorite. Kathleen Lights. $28. It's very pretty. Like, look at this. The colors are amazing. As you can see, I already swatched them. Like, wow. They're just so nice. I really like it. I like the packaging. Like, look at this blue, man. That is really nice. It's amazing. I love it. Love it. So that's it for this. Yeah. Okay, now that I got it all over me. Now we're going to do Ipsy. So, Ipsy. The bag is cute. It's different. I like the colors, it's okay. It's pretty deep. Excuse me. And it is called Flying Colors. And when I opened inside the envelope, this was sitting inside, and it's 2 masks. Facial mask, Unicorn Glow. So there's 2 in here. Now I'll show you. See? Got 2 masks. Aren't they adorable? It's a unicorn chocolate facial mask with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. So I like that. And I got this eyeliner I've been using. I'm wearing it now, the liquid liner, and it's from the same brand as this one that I got in Boxycharm. It's a Jante Blue, and it is professional art makeup liquid eyeliner, 24 hours, and it is in black, and I love it because it's the marker kind. You know what I'm talking about? Felt tip thing. So I've been using this ever since I got it, and I like it. It's easy to, you know, apply. Let's see. Then I got this. It was wrapped. I left the wrapper on there so you could see that it was, you know, had paper on it before I show it to you. What the heck is this? And I can take it off and see. This is from xoxo. And it's a luscious lip stain. Did I say Dolce? What the hell is it? I can't even see what that says. I think it is, but that's the color. I haven't worn this yet, but it dries down nice. Or is it Deuce? I don't know. I can't see it. Then this Pixie by Petra Glow Tonic, which I'm hearing people rave about this. So that's cool for your face. It's a nice size too. And a Luxie brush. So it can go with this set. I thought that was really cool, you know. And this one is a, I don't know what, shadow. Small shader. Yeah, this is great for packing on color, or maybe for underneath the eyes, you know, like that. And to pack here. That's what I would use it for, you know. Yeah, so I believe that's all I got, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 items in Ipsy because of the 2 masks. That's pretty cool for $10. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with Boxycharm. This eyeliner, and then 3 brushes really, so it's like getting 9. So that's pretty cool. I'm very excited with everything I got. I'm like thrilled. So I could, like, you know, put this stuff away because the only thing I was leaving out was the liquid liner in this because I was using it a lot. But now I can put it all in its area where it belongs. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah, I know I haven't been making videos much, but I've been really busy. Yeah, house hunting is crazy. But we're this close, you know, we're in the first stages of buying one right now. You just don't know when any little, like, bumps in the road can happen, you know. There's a lot, if you're a homeowner, you know what I mean. Inspections and all that stuff, and stuff can happen, and then maybe you don't have it, you know. You have to go look for another one. You know, stuff happens. but we shall see. Yeah, so we're going there Wednesday, actually, for the inspection. Yeah, so we'll know from there, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's what I got for my Boxycharm and my Ipsy, and I'm loving all of it. If you hear that laughing, that's my son Joey. He uses that VR thing. Very funny. Alright, guys, so yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.